Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to our video presentation. Now, can you imagine a ninja replacement that lasts a lifetime or a data crown that look very similar to a natural tooth? These medical wonders are made of advanced ceramic. Ceramic biomaterials are driving a wave of innovation in medicine and biotechnology. These advanced materials that have unique properties like biocompatibility, strength, and aesthetics makes them indispensable for modern healthcare. So this discussion explores the journey of ceramic in medicine, examining how advancements in material science have driven breakthrough in the biomedical implant and data restoration. But before that, let me show you our group members. So now, I will introduce you to bioceramic. Ceramic are a class of material derived from non-metallic inorganic compounds that have been engineered for diverse applications. Bioceramic are the ceramic materials which are used to restore the damaged bone in human skeletal system. The chemical structure of ceramics allows them to be highly customizable, providing tailored solutions for specific medical needs. The importance of ceramic in medicine lies in their abilities to solve real-world challenges. Beyond this application, ceramic have also emerged as vital component in advanced medical devices such as pacemakers, where their insulating properties protect sensitive electronic components. Now, in this part, let's explore how this material evolved from simple concepts to integral tools for healing regeneration. Our story begins in the 1920s, when the Young made a groundbreaking discovery. He found that natural bone minerals share structural similarities with the metal called hydroxyapatite. This discovery laid the foundation for developing bioceramic design to mimic natural bone. Fast forward to the 1960s, Rachel Liggeris took bioceramics to next level by exploring carbonate substituted calcium phosphate. She revealed how subtle ionic substitution could fine-tune material properties, paving the way for material tailored to specific medical needs. The 1970s brought yet another leap forward. Larry Hench introduced 45S5 bioglass. This bioactive glass fostered direct bonding with bone, revolutionizing how bioceramic interact with the human body. By the 1980s, a new milestone was achieved. Kobuko and his team developed apatite wollastonate glass ceramic, where it's combining strength with bioactivity. Their work didn't stop there. They invented stimulated body fluid, a tools that replicate human plasma to test bioceramics behavior in the lab. The 1990s saw the integration of bioceramic into polymer composites. William Bonfield innovations combined the toughness of polymers with the bioactivity of bioceramics. These hybrid materials open new possibilities for treating bones defect and supporting load-bearing structures.
My part of this presentation focuses on the applications of ceramics in industry and technology. Now, let's take a look at how ceramics are used in consumer goods. You might not realize it, but ceramics play a significant role in the products we use every day, like cookware, watches, and smartphones. In cookware, material like alumina are used in non-stick ceramic coatings because they are highly durable and can withstand high temperature. Silicon carbide is another example, often used in heat-resistant baking surface to ensure efficient heat distribution. When it comes to washes, zirconia is a popular choice for scratch-resistant wash face and bezels, offering both strength and polish a sleek appearance. And let's not forget a smartphone. Ceramic are key here too. Aluminum silicate glass ceramic are used for protective casing and screens because of their durability and impact resistance. Next, ceramic play a crucial role in the automotive industry, enhancing performance, efficiency, and durability. Alumina, known for its electrical isolation properties and high temperature resistance, is utilized in spark plug insulator to ensure reliable ignition. For braking systems, silicon carbide is used in high-performance ceramic brakes, providing lightweight construction and exceptional heat resistance, especially in sports and luxury vehicles. These ceramic materials are vital for creating vehicles that are safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. In the construction and building material industry, ceramic are crucial for improving both durability and appearance. Clay and porcelain ceramics are widely used for flooring, wall tiles, and bricks due to their strength and resistance. Ceramic additives are also added to concrete to enhance its performance and increase its lifespan. Additionally, glass ceramic are commonly used in countertops for decorative purpose. Furthermore, in the environmental industry, ceramic play a vital role in enhancing sustainability and efficiency, especially in water filtration and pollution control. Ceramic filters are widely used to purify water due to their pore structure, which help track contaminants like bacteria, sediments, and other impurities, providing clean water for both drinking and industrial use. These filters are durable, long-lasting, and capable of filtering large amounts of water, making them perfect for household and industrial application. Additionally, ceramics are essential in air pollution control systems like catalytic converters, where they help reduce harmful emissions from vehicles and industrial processes. Ceramic materials are being increasingly used in waste management and renewable energy sector, where they contribute to energy efficient system and improve the effectiveness of waste to energy technologies. Let's dive into some examples. Firstly, a ceramic dental implant, usually made of zirconia, looks like a small screw that mimics the structure of a tooth root. These implants are placed directly into the jaw bones where a tooth is missing and serve as a stable base for a crown, bridge, or denture. Zirconia implants are popular alternative to titanium implants due to their excellent biocompatibility. They integrated well with the bones and tissue without causing allergy reaction or inflammation. However, zirconia can be brittle in the thin dimension, which may lead to fracture during placement or under stress. Next, alumina ceramic are crucial in developing artificial heart valve component. They are chosen for their excellent wear resistance, which is important because heart valve move constantly. Alumina ceramic also have a great biocompatibility, reducing the risk of adverse reaction. Their smooth surface help prevent blood clots from forming, reducing complication. However, alumina ceramic are hard to mention into the precise shape needed for heart valves. Advances in precision manufacturing like 3D printing have helped overcome this challenge and improve the production of ceramic heart valves. Besides, ceramic vernier are a popular choice in dental restoration. These attractive shells are custom designed and bonded to the front of the teeth to improve appearance. They address issues like discoloration, chips, cracks, gaps, and irregular shapes. Porcelain is the top choice for verniers because of its translucency, which is closely mimics natural enamel. This gives a lifelike look and allows the verniers to blend well with surrounding teeth. A challenge is ensuring strong bonding between the vernier and tooth. Poor adhesion can lead to the problem over time. To fix this, advances in bonding technology like self-etching, primers, and resin-based adhesives have improved bonding effectiveness. Lastly, ceramic posts are commonly used in root canal teeth to provide support before placing a crown. Made from strong biocompatible material like zirconia, they integrated well with the surrounding tooth and bones. Unlike metal posts, ceramic posts are tooth color, making them ideal for visible area of the mouth and maintaining a natural appearance. Their durability allows them to withstand chewing force, offering long-term reliability for dental restoration. With their strength, aesthetics, and biocompatibility, ceramic posts are an excellent choice for reinforcing root canal teeth.
Advance and innovation for biomedical implants. Recent advance on bioactive Baghdadite ceramics for bone tissue. This ceramic has received significant attention due to its demonstrated ability to efficiently stimulate osteogenesis and treat large-size bone defect by releasing bioactive ionic products. This ceramic accelerates the healing time, prevents implant rejection, and improves cell migration, differentiation, new bone formation, and vascularization. Furthermore, Baghdadite forms strong biological binding to bone tissue in vivo and has been developed as an alternative replacement to metallic implants in low load bearing application. innovative use of bioactive glasses and ceramic in the near future, patient-specific and genetic-based skeletal regeneration, advance in bioactive ceramic tailored at the genetic level could enable skeletal regeneration that aligns closely with each patient's genetic profile. This customization could lead to faster, more effective integration of bioactive materials into the body, minimizing rejection and enhancing bond strength and structure in ways that are uniquely suited to the patient's physiology. Next, dental restoration, zirconia-based crowns and bridge. Zirconia dental bridge redefine the standards of durability. The zirconia fixed bridge are meticulously crafted to provide long-lasting solution for patients with missing teeth. Innovative zirconia dental bridge designs explore the versatility of zirconia teeth in dental bridge solutions. From traditional bridge to cutting-edge zirconia restorations, offering cater to the evolving needs of dental professionals. The full range of zirconia crowns in bridge ensures not only strength but also a natural-looking result that surpasses patient expectation. Advance in zirconia-based dental materials, CAD or CAM integration. Zirconia's compatibility with computer-aided design and manufacturing allows for precise, efficient shaping of dental restoration, enhancing accuracy and reducing production time. Digital workflows streamline the process from scanning to milling, making zirconia an attractive choice in modern dental laboratories.
Next, I will explain about benefits and advantages of dental restoration. The first one is holistic. Ceramic dental implants are considered to be holistic because they are biocompatible and do not contain metal. Dentists often prefer ceramic implants over titanium because they promote overall health and wellness and reduce risk of allergic reaction. Second is natural appearance. For patients with thinner gum tissue, ceramic implants look more natural. It is because ceramic is the color of the natural teeth and roots, so they won't show through the gums the way titanium implants can. Lastly, dental restoration can promote oral health. Ceramic dental implants do not interact bacteria the way titanium implants tend to do. It can reduce the risk of developing gum disease around dental implants. Move to the next part, which is challenges and limitations. First of the challenges is their durability. All ceramic crowns can also last for many years, but they are less durable as compared to other types of dental crowns. Second is thickness. Ceramic restoration need to be thicker than other materials to prevent them from breaking. For some patients, doctor must remove more of their natural tooth structure to accommodate the crown. In addition, if a fracture occurs, all ceramic is more difficult to repair. Last but not least is repair. If an all ceramic crown cracks, it usually needs to be replaced. Minor chips can be smoothed with the use of a dental drill. Bigger defects can be repaired by bonding dental composite to the area, but the longevity of these repairs can even be more problematic.
Now, I will be talking about future trends. First and foremost is zirconia as the future ceramic implants and restoration. Ongoing research in dental implants shows promise in advancing zirconia composite ceramics, adding materials such as alumina and calcium oxide to enhance chemical and physical properties, focusing on improving hardness and aging resistance. Zirconia implants have an impressive success rate, which is 93 to 98% in short-term clinical trials. However, there is a lack of records to evaluate these implants' long-term durability and efficiency. Upcoming investigations need to focus on these problems in order to formulate plans to reduce their problem throughout the manufacturing procedure. This could upgrade data processing methods for 3D printing and refining the chemical compositions and manufacturing procedures of ceramic materials. Moreover, advances in 3D printings and polymers play a crucial role in bridging the gap between material science and fabrication techniques. Despite the potential benefits of 3D printing for creating ceramic prostheses, these technologies are not widely used or clinically validated. Clinical trials need to assess the functionality and long-term result of 3D printed ceramic. Next, I will be talking about silicon nitride as future ceramic implants and restoration. Silicon nitride as a non-oxide ceramic can be used as dental restoration. These originate from their bacteriological properties, mechanical properties, and biocompatibility. The bacteriological activity of silicon nitride is higher than titanium dioxide, and polymers such as polyethylene with poor bacteriological properties due to its surface chemistry in aqueous solution. Additionally, another advantage is their artifact-free imaging during MRI, CT, and X-ray radiography, indicating its radiolucency compared to polyethylene with poor radiolucency. The high toughness and bacteriological properties of silicon nitride shows that it can be used as dental core, the inner part of the dental crown, or bridges. In addition, it possesses better chemical stability and mechanical properties, which makes it suitable for dental crown and 3-unit bridge for anterior teeth. Furthermore, silicon nitride can be used as an alternative to calcium hydroxide as a pulp covering material, which causes inflammation in pulp tissue as it forms tunnel defect in the bridges of dentin. A careful approach is essential in designing treatments for challenging bone conditions, ensuring precision, minimal risk, and long-term sustainability. All of this innovation are aimed to improve outcomes for patients with unique healthcare needs in the upcoming future.
In conclusion, ceramic play an important role in medicine, especially in biomedical implant and dental restoration. They are safe for the body, long-lasting, and incredibly versatile, which makes them a great choice for improving healthcare. Ceramic help repair damaged bone and create dental solutions that look natural. With new advancement in the material and technology, we can expect even more improvement in the future, keeping ceramics as a key part of medical progress. Thank you for watching.